We want independence.
So, go on this side of the street.
Yeah, okay. I take pictures.
Can you
Yeah,
be on this side of the street? Sir, can you move
Okay.
over? I'm sorry.
Okay, can we probably keep it? Thank you. Assistant Secretary's office.
Okay.
Secretary of State's
I will
office.
pass that up through there to see if they can get somebody to come out.
Or, yeah, thank you, thank you. Assalamu alaikum karamashlar. Allah'ın kaygın Allah'a rahmet. Bir 5 minut bir su içip, demeli, ağzımızı kaydedin bir şekilde falan dikin başlayın.